Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Range Rover. So let's just put it on a different screen. So first of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on here, which it is. So Bluetooth on, then we click the telephone. Now there's two ways of doing it actually. You can click the menu button and you'll see menu button, please connect to phone. So you can go there or click the telephone, search for new. We're watching out at the bottom here. We'd want to do vehicle to device because that brings up a pin, a randomly generated pin, instead of you putting one in here and then having to match it there. It just saves you like 4 or 5 presses of a button. Not a whole lot, but it's just easier. There you go, Barry's iPhone 11. Click on that. To pair and connect phone, enter 2761. 2761 pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow Range Rover Sport here. Connecting to Barry's iPhone. Connected. That's it done. And it's showing there.